Hey, native Staten Island, Chris Fidelli here. It's a Friday morning. On Wednesday, somebody said to me, a friend of mine, "You smell something funny in the air." And I said, "Nah." He said, "It smelled like sweet, but yet like it smelled like it came from the dump." So like a little bit of mix of sweet and spicy. I walked out this morning. First thing I smelled like detergent. I don't know what it is. If anybody has an answer for me, let me know. Please like, subscribe. God bless you. Have a blessed day.